Here are 5 Python multiple choice questions MCQ with answers, Python MCQ Set 1. Question number 1. What will be the output of the following code? X is a list with 1, 2, 3. Y becomes X. If you will append 4 to Y, what will be the output? You can see A, B, C, D. So output will be 1, 2, 3, 4 because when you use append, an element is added to the end of the list. That's why 4 will be added. What will be the output of the following expression? Here we are using 2, then 2 asterisk signs 3, then 2 asterisk signs 4. A 64, B 512, C 8 or D 9. Answer will be B 512. The exponentiation operator 2 asterisk signs is right associative, so 3 raised to the power 2 is evaluated. What does the following function return? Define test, try, return 1, finally return 2, print test. 1, 2, none or error. Answer will be 2. The finally block always executes and it returns a statement overrides the try block return statement. So it will return 2. What will be the output of following code? X is Python, print X. Then we are using slicing and using -1. So answer will be NOHTYP. The slicing reverses the string. So you can see it is the reverse version of Python. What will be the output of following? List 1 is 1, 2, 3. List 2 is list 1. Then in list 2 we use plus is equal to 4, 5. If you print list 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. List 2 plus equal to 4, 5 modifies list 1 because list 2 is just a reference to list 1. You can subscribe to our channel to study data science and test your knowledge.